Kia ora, Playland, Crow, Whanau. It's Whaea Salote here, and I'm going to read you this book. It's the Great Kiwi ABC book. A is for apple tree.
And me.
And Aiden Tudor is here with me. All Plex lamb. A is for apple. B is for beach. Look, people. They are at the beach. Yeah? They're doing a picnic at the beach. They're eating banana. There's a bulldozer over there at the corner, and there's a basket with digger. There's a bike over there. C is for cow, cat, a car over here. Can you see it? Yeah. They're playing a cricket game. D is for a digger. Can you see the digger?
Nana, can I have some more orange?
A duck. Yes, you can. And E is for elephant. Look at the elephant big ears, and there's eggs over there as well. F is for a farm. Look, that's a farm over here. And in the farm, they got the fantail. And they got the frogs here. I think the frog is having a picnic over here. G is for, wow, it's for a goat. Goat is eating the grass. And gumboots over here. Yeah. H is for hat. Look, there's a hat over here. And I is for ice cream and ice. And J is for a jug. There's juice in the jug. Yes. And jelly. Yummy jelly. K is for kakapo. And there's a kite over here. See, the kakapo says kia ora. L is for a lighthouse. Look, there's a lighthouse over here. And there's a lamb and ladybirds on the corner there. M is for, what is M for? Oh, look at that. That's for Marai. And there's a more pork over there. There's a moth. And look at the moon on the side here. Yay. N is for a nest. And a knee cow palm over there. And the netball court with the ball over there. And O is for the ocean. Look. Look at the ocean. You got the octopus there. And there is the orca. Look. It's like a whale. And the orange trees over there. P is for Pahutukawa tree over there. With the penguin, they're having a picnic over there. They got Pavel over there as well. And there's the playground on the side here with the bears, teddy bears. Yeah, they're playing. Q is for the queen. Look at the queen.
And my boss.
And R is for the, what is
Robot.
R for the robot? Aiden says robot. And there's the rugby all over there. And S is for snow. Look, they are playing in the ski, in the snow. T is for, what's this, Aiden Judah? Tractor? Is it a tractor?
Yeah.
Yeah, T is for the tractor. And tuatara, and there's tui. U is for unicorn. Look, the unicorn riding on the unicycle. And V is for volcano. Yeah, V is for volcano. And W is for the waka. Look at the waka. And the weka going for ride. Look in the waka. And X is for X-ray. And Y is for yacht. Look. And that's the end of our book today. Hope you like it. Kakiti from Whaea Salote and
Aiden Judah.
Aiden Judah. See you a popo. Okay? Bye.